Have you ever wondered what happens to your body when you take turmeric every day? This is turmeric. Turmeric is not just a golden spice, it is a superfood. Yes, a superfood. Turmeric is packed with many health benefits. It was and it's being used in China, in the Middle East, and in India for healing, but now being backed by science with many health benefits, proven health benefits. This is turmeric. So here are 15 science-backed reasons why taking turmeric can benefit your health greatly. It can improve your well-being. Turmeric contains curcumin. Curcumin as the most active compound, and it's responsible for the many benefits that you can derive from taking turmeric. Let's dive in. Powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Yes, turmeric contains curcumin. Curcumin has anti-inflammatory properties. So taking turmeric helps you in fighting inflammation. Inflammation has actually been implicated in many disease conditions, including arthritis. Taking turmeric makes it beneficial for treatment of arthritis and even joint pains. Another advantage of taking turmeric daily is it helps to boost your immunity. Turmeric has antimicrobial and immune boosting properties, and this helps your body to fight off infections and diseases. Number 3, it supports brain health. When you take turmeric daily, you get to enhance your brain function, as curcumin helps to increase the brain-derived neurotropic factor, that is BDNF, which may reduce the risk of conditions like Alzheimer's and some other neurodegenerative diseases. Number 4, turmeric helps to improve heart health. You know that turmeric is also good for blood pressure control. Turmeric actually helps to regulate your blood pressure. It improves circulation. Interestingly, it also helps to reduce cholesterol, bad cholesterol, thereby preventing the risk of a heart disease. Next, turmeric is good for gut health. Yes, turmeric is good for gut health. It stimulates bile production, which aids in digestion and helps to prevent bloating, gas, and indigestion. Number 6, as natural pain reliever. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric can relieve pain associated with conditions like arthritis, migraines, and even muscle spasms. Next, turmeric is good for your mental health. Yes, it helps to fight depression and anxiety. Curcumin has been shown to boost serotonin and dopamine levels, helping to improve your mood and reducing symptoms of depression and anxiety. Are you trying to control your blood sugar? Turmeric is it. Turmeric helps in blood sugar control. It helps in management of diabetes, as it helps to regulate the blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. It improves insulin sensitivity, thereby reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Is that not interesting? Turmeric can be used for liver detoxification. It supports liver health. It helps to detoxify the liver by flushing out toxins and reducing liver inflammation, thereby encouraging liver health and overall liver function. That's not all. Turmeric is even very beneficial for your skin health. It promotes healthy skin. Its antioxidative and anti-inflammatory properties help to reduce acne, eczema, and even signs of aging. while giving your skin the natural glow. It aids in weight management. That's number 11. Curcumin helps to regulate metabolism, thereby reducing fat accumulation and aiding in weight loss. Number 12. It helps in the fight against cancer. Turmeric, as found in studies, have been shown to slow the growth of cancer cells and prevent certain cancers such as breast cancer, prostate cancer, and even colon cancer. 3 more benefits. Meanwhile, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, remember to click on the subscribe button so that you can get notifications when I upload similar videos. Thank you for subscribing. The 13th benefit, turmeric helps in respiratory health. It boosts respiratory health. Its anti-inflammatory properties help in easing respiratory symptoms, breathing problems as seen in asthma and even bronchitis. Generally, turmeric helps to reduce inflammation. So it's helpful furthermore in gut health, helping to fight against diseases such as irritable bowel syndrome. So it helps to fight chronic inflammation. Finally, turmeric can help to boost your energy levels. Yes, it can help to boost your energy levels. Turmeric supports better circulation and oxygen delivery to the body, thereby enhancing energy levels and reducing fatigue. So incorporating turmeric into your daily diet can significantly improve your overall health, whether in food, as supplements, in whatever form, you will get the benefits of taking turmeric. Thank you for watching. Remember, if you like what you have watched, give it a thumbs up, click on the like button, and remember, you can share this with friends and family. You can surely drop a comment to let me know your thoughts. Have you ever used turmeric, or do you take turmeric daily? Kindly share your experience with us. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.